All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So narrow down. To be more specific about something. All these choices. So narrow it down. Yeah, I will narrow down his choices. We narrowed down all the ideas. We had so many to choose from. We narrowed it down to these two. How cool is that? Yeah. We're going to narrow down the options. Yeah. You have a lot to choose or to decide from, so it is best that you narrow it down. Too many choices. Better to narrow it down. We narrowed down the choices to a few things. When there are too many choices, we don't know what to do. So we had to narrow down the selection. We had to narrow down the selection so people could choose easier. How cool is that? Yeah. We're narrowing it down now. Yes. Very good. Yeah. We know what to do, so we narrowed it down so people could decide easier. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. His choices will be narrowed down easily. Yeah. We managed to narrow it down to 6. We narrowed down the collection to 6, so that way more could be sold. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So can you use narrow down in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.